If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha. Yeah. What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted. Drip family, what's good? First off, before we start the video, man, make sure you guys comment below, subscribe to the channel. Comment below, let me know you guys are here, man. Where PB gang, where y'all at? Feel me? I see I'm being consistent with these videos, man. Where y'all at? Comment below right now. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're new tuning in, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you will not miss out on none of the videos that I drop. You know, because we dropping them. We're dropping them once or twice a week, man. I'm giving y'all what I got. You feel me? Giving y'all what I got. Trying to give y'all some crazy content, some great content, help you guys out. How to get you guys waves spinning, all right? Dripping, all right? Also, make sure you guys go to pptogomerch.com. Go get your merch. Go get your hair care, because it's all there, man. But today's video, man. Before I start this video, man, if you guys ain't ready, if you guys ain't ready to be elite waiver, man, if you guys ain't ready to, you know what I'm saying, drip really hard, then this video might not be for you. If you ain't ready to, you know, spend, because these products right here, this stuff I'm using, man, just essentials that I got in this bag right here. This bag right here, man. Essentials I got in this bag. It's top essentials, man. So you gonna have to spend, you feel me? You gonna have to spend, that's just what it is, man. You gonna have to spend to get drippy, man. Anyways, man, so that's first, all right? Second, you guys been asking for this video for a while, so I'm finally giving it to you guys, man. The stuff that I'm using, the products that I'm using, all the wave essentials. I'm talking about from DURAG, the brush, the products, you know what I'm saying, the wash your hair, you know what I'm saying, shampoo. I'm talking about from the, what else we got right here? I'm talking about the mirror, everything that I'm using, man. It's all in this bag right here, you feel me? So, y'all stay tuned for this video, man. Keep it locked. It's about to go down. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
Alright, y'all, so the products, you feel me, the essentials, the wave essentials, the top of the line wave essentials you should be using to get your waves spinning is these right here. First up, alright, so of course you need a brush, man. And you can't just use any brush. You can't just use any brush. Your brush gotta be a good brush that stays aligned. You know what I'm saying? The brushes that when you brush your hair, the shit don't start turning, you know, leaning. Your bristles got to be aligned perfectly. If they're not aligned perfectly, then your wave's not gonna be aligned perfectly, because you know when you brush, you gotta hit that same spot every time to get your connections popping. That's what it's all about, having your stuff to connect, spinning. All right. So the top of the line, you know what I'm saying, brushes that you use. If you're using flat brushes, you know, I tend to go back and forth from flat and curved brushes. I'm about to actually go back to curved brushes because I get bored. I like to just switch it up, you feel me? Anyways, man, so we're gonna get to the brushes first. So the top of the line brushes, man, OG Diane's, you feel me? OG Diane's. It's hard to find these, man. This is right here is an A159 hard brush. It's the hardest brush that you can. I probably haven't used no other brush that was harder than this brush. This brush right here is hella hard, all right? But it's a great brush, man. When you woofing, you gotta use, you know, a better brush, a harder brush to get down to that bottom, you know, the first layers of hair, so that you can, you know, get to that first layer of hair. So when you get a haircut, you know what I'm saying, when you cut it after that woof, you will see progression, you feel me? So you gotta use a hard brush to get to that first layer of hair. So if you can't get this brush right here, which I probably can if you haven't got it already, because they don't sell it in the stores no more, but yeah, man, it's hard to come by this, but you probably better buy it from somebody if you know, on a wave pages or something like that. You might be able to buy it, but you gonna have to spend it back. But that's why I said, you know what I mean? It costs, you feel me? Like $200 for this brush or something like that, because it's rare to find, you feel me? But yeah, that's a great brush right there. But if you can't find that one, it's always try to find another one. Just find a good brush that's not low quality, a high quality bristles, you feel me? That long bristles, that's how you find the high quality bristles. You gotta find ones that's long. That way it's getting to the first layer of hair every time, because that's what we wanna do. We wanna keep woofing all the time. Woof, cut. It's like a, you know what I'm saying? It's a routine that we do, you feel me? Yeah, so this next brush right here, man, this is my favorite brush of all time. This right here is the A119 OG Diane brush right here. This is the best brush, man. This right here, I got history with this brush, bro. And I got a couple of them too, and I never let them go because I love this brush. Like, I use hard brushes when I'm woofing, but I also use medium and soft brushes. This right here I use too sometimes when I just don't feel like hard brushing, or when I'm just getting a quick session in, I just use this brush by itself. Great brush, man. You must get this in your arsenal. You know what I'm saying? If you don't got it, like I said, try to look for it. If you can't look for it, you can't find it, just try to find an alternator, alternate brush, like something that's, that the bristles, make sure the bristles are inlined. You know what I mean? They don't get crooked and shit like that, because you're gonna have crooked waves if your bristles is not straight, set it up straight and solid, stiff, firm. You feel me? So this right here, next one, Softy 8169. Okay, this is an OG as well. Great brush, man. I got history with this brush too. Sometimes I like to just get a quick softy brush in. I'll use this by itself. All right, great ass brush, man. It's soft. It's not firm at all. Good soft brush. You normally want to use this by itself, or you want to use it at the end of your brush sessions. You feel me? Use that hard brush, medium brush, soft brush. You use this one at the end of your brush sessions when you brushing your product in, before you rag up and all that. All right, so those are the brushes though, right? Those are the top of the line elite brushes, okay? I'm using right now currently, and I feel like you guys, if you want to get your shit crazy dripping, you should use them too. You know what I'm saying? Durag, all right? Durags, all right? So let's get to the Durags. The Durags, bro. This right here, 360, RICO's 360 Surf Rags. I'm using these. I've been using this for a minute. It's crazy though, because this rag right here is real thin. It's thin, but I like thin Durags because I don't like, I noticed I start to get like a line right here, a black line in the middle of my head. I mean, I love waves, man. Waves is my life, but I like my hair. I like my skin too, you feel me? I don't want my skin to looking crazy. When I take off my Durag, yeah, I want to be spinning, but I don't want to have a big ass black line right here, you feel me? And I know you guys know what I'm talking about, because if you got thick Durags and with the thick line right here, thick lining, stitching right here, then you're going to get that, you feel me? So that's why I just transferred over to using this shit right here, man. It's thin, it's cool. It reminds me of an anti-Durag. I like anti-Durags. Like, I don't know if y'all know about those, Dream Durags. Those are thin. I like those. You don't really need a thick ass Durag anyways, you feel me? So I use these ones. I've been using this, and it's crazy how I found this one. He actually sent it to me, and it was just sitting in the drawer for a while, and I just like, you know what, man? Let me try this Durag out. You know what I'm saying? You just never know. I tried it out. It worked good for me. My shit was like, how you already know if it's a good Durag, if it feel good on your head, and then when you unrag and you just see that lay, that's how you know if you got a good Durag. When you take off your rag and you see that lay, you're like, oh yeah, my hair is laid down. I'm definitely using this Durag. Okay, but if you're woofing, you can still use it by itself if you want, but if you want extra compression, this is what I use right here, boo-boo cap. You can find these on Amazon right here. Also, I'll put the link in the description how if you want to purchase this if you want. You know what I'm saying? Plug them in real fast. That's right there, the boo-boo cap. I use that, for double compression. You want to use double compression when you hella woofing, especially if you coarse hair. It's hard for our hair to lay down, especially after we comb. Use that hard, medium, soft. You know what I'm saying? If your hair not trained like that, it's gonna be hard for your hair to lay in place. So definitely throw a Durag on, throw one of these on, add that in your arsenal. It's kind of like get a little double compression. And yeah, it's like a lot of things I do different now, man. I'm gonna update you guys with like, I know y'all want to see my hair and everything, if you follow me on Instagram, then you'd have been saw it, because I'm always posting my hair and stuff. So follow me on Instagram. But as far as for YouTube, my PB game, y'all, some of you guys don't fuck with Instagram like that, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do a video, throw with these tutorials back again. I'm gonna giving y'all what y'all want. That's what y'all want, right? Y'all want PB with the tutorials or what? All right, nigga, I'm gonna give it to y'all then, man. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give it to y'all, man. I'm gonna give it to y'all. I miss helping y'all anyway, so I'm gonna give it to y'all. But anyways, that's the boo-boo cap, man, for double compression. You feel me? Okay, so I'm tripping. Comb. Oh, fumble. Oh man, hold on. All right, look. So the combs, bro. The combs. If you woofing, I figured to just use I've been doing it for a while. You know what I'm saying? Use a wide tooth comb. You feel me? So I use this right here. This right here. I don't even know what it's called. To be honest, I got it from Sally's. You can get it from Sally's. Just look in the comb section on Sally's. At Sally's, you better find this shit right here. I don't even know what it's called, this brush. This comb, I ain't gonna lie. But this is great. Like, it's a thick, it got that thick, you feel me, handle right there. You know what I'm saying? That thick handle give you that good, grip, whatever, so you can comb it. It feels good when you comb it. Plus, it's not really sharp. You know what I'm saying? The bristles or whatever, it's not really sharp, so You know, it's great. And also they're long, if you notice. It's like from here to here. Some combs be short. It goes from here up to here, and I like that. You know what I'm saying? So I use this right here. Great. And when you woofing, I'm always saying woofing because that plays a big role in becoming an elite waver. You want flawless waves, you feel me? You know, you can just coming from a flawless waver's perspective, you feel me? Me, you know what I mean? I ain't flawless now, but I was flawless at once upon a time. I know how to get y'all drippy, so listen to me. Anyways, man, all right, so let's get into this. All right, let's get into this. All right, so you know what? I'll get into that. All right, let's get into this. So this right here, man. If y'all didn't know, when you're washing your hair, it's easier for your hair to move when it's wet, right? It's gonna help you progress. That's why I recommend that you wash your hair at least twice a week. Because it's kind of like, especially if you slacking during the week or whatever, you was too busy, you couldn't get that session in. Take all that out on your brush session, your wash session, okay? Take all that anger out from you being mad because you didn't get those brush sessions in on the week, or during that week that you was supposed to. You already missed a lot of sessions. You can make it up by doing a washing style, bro. You know what I'm saying? Using washing style, the hair is gonna easily move. It's easier for it to move because it's wet, and you can work on, like, you know, your weak spots. You can work on your forks, all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, go in on that spot. You feel me? Your weak spots when you washing. Anyways, man, this right here, y'all didn't know. This right here, fire. Peppermint drip shampoo. Peppermint drip shampoo. Okay. Peppermint drip shampoo. I know you guys been asking for the Gold Drip Butter shampoo. I have that too, but it's sold out right now. It will be back in stock soon. But this right here, just as good. Peppermint drip shampoo. Y'all know where to get it from. pbdgomerch.com. Great product, great lather, all that. You know what I mean? I know y'all be on fucking with the soaps. I know y'all fuck with all that. That's coming too. Don't trip. But y'all, what y'all didn't know, you don't have to have stupid lather. It's not all about having dumb lather. You know what I'm saying? That's what a lot of you guys, you know, fail to realize. I think it's all about lather when you're washing your hair. It's not. You want to still be able to see your pattern when you're brushing your hair. When you're washing it, you want to still be able to see your pattern. If you got too much lather in your brush and everywhere else, and it's all going in your eyeballs and shit and going on the floor and shit, it's like, how you going to see your pattern? You feel me? It's too much suds. You feel me? So I made this specially for, you know, every product I make especially for me, and I know that I got great experience on everything. I know what the hell I'm talking about. I've been a waver forever, so that's when I come out, you know what I mean? When I perfect the product, I present it to you guys, give it to the community so you guys can try it out. But this right here is a great shampoo right here. Okay, that's another shampoo. That's the shampoo I'm using. Okay, so let's get into the products, the wave products I'm using. Also, all Gold Drip products are not, it's not just for hair. You know what I mean? For waves, I mean, you know, you got different hair texture, straight hair, you can use it. You know what I'm saying? You got a bald head, you can use it. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, all right. So this right here, after you wash, you want to moisturize. You know what I'm saying? After you wash, you want to moisturize. This right here is Blueberry Fuego moisturizer. I know y'all know last video y'all saw me throw it in my kids' hair, Drip Brothers' hair. It's crazy. It's crazy. I love this product right here, Legendary Blueberry Fuego. It's actually the last product I just released, and can't go wrong with it. It smells great. All my products smell great. It got good hold, it got good moisturization, good shine. That's all you want. All the things you want in a product is all in this. You feel me? It don't got crazy hold, but that's why you got other products, and that's why this come in handy. Legendary butter. You feel me? Legendary butter. It's like Gold Drip butter on steroids. Everybody asks that, well, what's the difference? Gold Drip butter on steroids, man. That's all it is. That's all it is. Great product too as well. Legendary butter, great hold, great shine. It has a little bit of moisturization. I mean, it's natural, so it's gonna give you natural. It's gonna give you moisturization anyways. Your hair gonna stay moisturized anyways if you're using our natural products. But yeah, man, this right here, this is life right here. I love this product. You guys should give it a try, man, for real. Now this one, Legendary Oil. And these are products right here. This is not all the products I have on the website, but that's why I'm, you know what I'm saying, putting you guys on. Y'all probably already know about them. Legendary Oil. It's a great oil. A lot of people use it on their beard. I mean, it's not a beard oil, but if you want to, you can. I'm working on the beard oil myself already now, but Legendary Oil, I'm telling you, great shine, great for your bald head, you feel me? It's great for your skin, all that, you know what I mean? But as far as my hair, I throw this in. Normally, people been using this like after when they wash their hair with the shampoo, they put this in with the shampoo in their hair and they brush it. I never did that before, but people be telling me they do that. I don't do that though. I just use it like, you know, at the end of the session. You know what I'm saying? Like after I use my legendary butter or whatever, I throw this in on top, plastic bag it in, or not plastic bag it in, but I'll show you what I use. If you don't like this, man, I don't know where you been at, man. I know I did a review on this like years ago, like 2 years ago. I did a review on this. It's called the LAYDOWN G, the Frizz Reduction Styling Glove. Great. I'll make sure I leave this in the description box below as well, where you can grab this at right here. It's called the LAYDOWN G. Heel freeze, my nigga, you did your thing on this, man. I love them new colorways and all that. I've been using it, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is how it looks. It's a glove, you put it on. I did a review on it. If you haven't saw that, check it out. Just put it in, search it up. LAYDOWN G review. I should pop up. Boom. You know what I'm saying? You lay it down. It's like a plastic bag, but it's better than a plastic bag. It's not, I don't know, bro. Y'all know I'm a plastic bag king. I used to love plastic bags, but when this came out, I have not used a plastic bag since then. This right here is great. And I actually rub that in. I rub my legendary oil in with this. You feel me? I put it in my hands. I put it in my hair real fast. I don't want to brush it after I apply it. I just use this. Y'all probably saw that method too a while ago. It's great, man. I love this. I love this product right here. Great product. And what else? Last but not least, man. If you didn't know, you need a mirror, man. You need a mirror. You can get this from Sally's right here. You need a mirror. Mirror brushing is important. It plays a huge role on getting your 360 wave connections popping. Combing plays a huge role. Woofing plays a huge role. You guys didn't know. You know, I know you guys sometimes don't have time to brush in the mirror, or you guys feel like, oh, I'm getting a session in, I'm brushing in the mirror. So I mean, I'm getting a session, I'm not brushing in the mirror, but I'm still brushing my hair. I used to be like that when I first started. Nah, man, get in that mirror. Learn your hair. That's more important. Learn your hair. Get your angles right. You feel me? Get all your angles right. You know, comb more when you woof it. You know what I'm saying? Try to stretch your woof. Stretch it. You know what I'm saying? Count your woofs. You know what I'm saying? This time go 6 weeks. Next time go 8 weeks. Try to stretch it. You know what I'm saying? That way you can find the maximum potential of your hair texture. You feel me? Your curl length. You gotta learn, and that's why it's really important to brush in the mirror, because if you're not brushing in the mirror, you're not learning those things. You're not looking at how your hair is growing. You're not looking at how your crown's growing. You're making sure your crown's in place before you throw your durag on. You're not doing all those things, so that's very important to do if you're trying to become an elite waver. All right, and it's coming from me. It's coming from an experienced waver. I've been doing this shit forever, so I won't cap y'all. I'm telling y'all the truth. Anyways, man, that's it for the video. That's it for the video. These are all the products I'm using. These are all the products I'm using. All the products I'm using, everything I'm using right here. Thumbnail. Ting. Yeah, those are products I'm using right there. But you know, if you want to get these products, man, go to peopletogomerch.com. Go ahead and purchase your merch. Go ahead and purchase your hair care, because it's all there. Everything that's not here though, as far as the brushes and shit, it's kind of hard to find, but you can find something else, man. Find something good. Find out what works for you. You gotta spend. Pretty much, you gotta spend. Sometimes you gotta spend to find out, man. It's all trial and error, just like life. With that being said, man, that's it for the video. Love you guys. If you tune in, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? Post notification bell. Do not miss on none of my videos. Watch them all. Okay, watch them to the end. All right. I love y'all, man. I'm out of here, people gang. But if you're great, they gonna hate. Ha! Yeah! Go mentality. Cut the camera, nigga. If you're great, they gonna hate. Yeah!
Gang.